Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to Uncracked. In this video, we're gonna learn about all the top 10 animals killing humans per year. I know you might have many options in your mind that all the big animals are killing humans, but you're gonna be shocked to learn it's the small ones too. To start from number 10, it's the big gentle giants, the elephants. Elephants are known for their gentle nature, but they can become aggressive when they feel harassed, vulnerable, or threatened. The climate change appears to be creating these conditions more and more frequently. Groups of elephants have been known to raid farms and villages, and they will trample any human that gets in their way. One blow from an elephant is enough to kill, and they kill around 500 humans per year. Elephants have long been known to among the most intelligent animals on this planet, but when somebody interrupts their activities or when they are raiding the farmlands, they tend to blow the human to death. As you can see in this video, the elephant is seen crushing a human to death. Moving on to number 9, it's these large river fossils, hippopotamus. Hippos really only attack people when they have entered what they consider is their territory. The most common hippo attacks come from the water with the humans on board. Hippos are submerged in the water. It can be incredibly hard to see them from the surface. If a human floats by while fishing, it's easy to miss the massive animal at rest. Suddenly, the hippo launches himself to the boat and escaping it is really difficult. Hippos don't attack until somebody gets into their territory. They kill around 500 humans per year. As you can see in this video, the hippo is submerged underwater and it's really hard to notice it. And the humans passing by, they don't notice and the hippo attacks them on board. Once it attacks them, it's really hard to get out of the attack alive. Moving on to number 8, it's the crocodiles. Crocodiles are cold-blooded predators. They kill around 1000 humans per year. About 10% of the time, they kill people in water and they are on board or fishing. They turn the boat around and it's really difficult to escape that attack. About 8.5% of the time they attack humans on land, like people when they sleep on the beaches or by the water. On number 7, it's the small roundworms known as Ascaris. Ascaris is a roundworm infection of your intestines. It is caused by ingesting infected eggs. It happens through hand-to-mouth contact with the eggs of the worm. Its symptoms include stomach pain. They mainly attack the human intestine. They cause around 2500 human deaths. Holding its position on number 6 is the Tsetse fly. Tsetse fly transmits a disease called sleeping sickness, an infection into our body. They are highly dangerous flies and they cause around 10,000 human deaths per year. As you can see in this video, it makes its contact with the human body and it bites, which leaves a deadly parasite which multiplies inside the human body, causing the sleeping sickness. As the fly infects the human with the parasites inside the human body multiply and elongate. And at the end it causes the sleeping sickness or a coma, which is very easy to kill humans. It takes only 1 second to like and subscribe. On number 5, it's the assassin bug. Assassin bug is also called a kissing bug. It's responsible for carrying a Chagas disease. It kills around 12,000 humans per year. It is a disease of parasitic infection passed by the bug. As you can see in the video, the bee stings into the body, causing a deadly infection. Once they pounce on their prey, they stab them and release a paralyzing toxin that overcomes and kills the victim. As you can see in the video, the bee stings into the body, causing a deadly infection. Moving on to number 4, it's a species of the snail. It's the freshwater snail. Another small but deadly animal is a freshwater snail. It carries a parasitic worm that infects people with a disease that can cause intense abdominal pain and blood in the urine, depending upon the area that's infected. They cause around 20,000 human deaths per year. Freshwater snails are small but deadly. The parasites that cause schistosomiasis lives in certain types of freshwater snails. It is the infectious form of the parasite known as cercari emerging from the snail into the water. Humans can become infected when your skin comes in contact with the contaminated fresh water. Moving on to number 3, it's our well-known dogs. Dogs a man's best friend? Not always. Dogs kill around 30,000 people yearly. These deaths are not because of maulings by household pets. However, they get infected by rabies virus, which is one of the most deadliest viruses in animals. These viruses tend to kill humans at a large ratio. As we can see here, the dogs are not always friendly. As we see in this video, the dog is seen mauling a small boy, and when other people try to save the boy, the dog attacks them too. So they are not always friendly. They can be dangerous too. Moving on to the top 2, on number 2, it's the snakes. Snakes, perhaps one of the least appreciated animals on the earth, are also the most second dangerous animal. Snakes kill at least 100,000 people annually. Fatal bites by venomous snakes often go unreported, which could mean that they kill more than 100,000 people per year. As we can see in this video, the snake wraps itself around the body of the boy. It tries to bite the boy, but the boy escapes the attack by jumping and being active. It's really dangerous and funny too, as the boy jumps around trying to save himself from the snake. Moving on to number 1, it's not a big animal as you all expected. It's not a lion, it's not a tiger, but it's the smallest of the insects. It's a mosquito. Surprisingly, the most dangerous animal to a human is a tiny buzzing insect. Mosquitoes are responsible for 1 million human deaths per year. When the mosquito bites a human, it leaves saliva into the human body. As the body reacts to saliva, it results in bump and itching. And sometimes the saliva contains disease-carrying pathogens and is injected into the person being bitten. Commonly known as diseases such as malaria, dengue, West Nile disease, yellow fever, and Zika disease are caused by mosquitoes, which causes death. As we can see, a mosquito sucks blood and leaves saliva into the human body. The main viruses which cause human deaths are Zika virus, West Nile disease, malaria, dengue. It's really difficult to spot a mosquito and prevent a bite. But these mosquitoes kill humans at a huge ratio, which is more than any animal on the planet. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.